When I put my dipstick tube in, it took me a while to weave it down between the exhaust manifold and the block. But once I did, I was able to put a 11mm wrench up here. It fits pretty tight around the flange at the bottom of the dipstick tube, and then I used a pry-bar. There's no way to hammer up in there, but I used a pry-bar to pry right here, a pretty long one, and that just pulled it right down in there. It worked pretty well. It did take me quite a while to weave that down between the exhaust manifold and the block, and then once I got it in, everything went pretty well. So that's all I did there.